right, y'all. I hope the sun is not too bright, but this is Buc-ee's. One of our subscribers told us about Buc-ee's. I mean, look at all of the stalls. It's awesome. We are in Baytown, Texas. Woohoo! And every pump has diesel. Is that awesome or what? And I'm not sure how much it is. We'll have to check that out and I'll let you know. But they have these all over Texas along I-10. This is right off of Interstate 10, as you can hear. Yep. Plenty of parking. Plenty of parking. No semis allowed. None. Isn't that awesome? And this is the dog walking area. And guess what? They have baggies and doggy pots up there. Is that not awesome? Oh my gosh. This is an RVer's paradise for a stop. I love it. Love it, love it. And the inside, you would not believe the inside. They have shopping carts. Shopping carts. And it's like a mall in there. It's awesome. Awesome. They have t-shirts and sunglasses and cowboy hats and stuffed animals that promote Buc-ee's and oh my gosh, you name it. Food. They have a food station in there and all kinds of soda machines and you name it. It's awesome. Mr. Childers went in to check it out a while ago. I've never seen anything like it. I'm telling you folks, never seen anything like it. Y'all have to check out Buc-ee's. And it's BUC-EE''S. Buc-ee's. And Buc-ee's is coming to Florida. Yep, there's going to be one there in Florida and I do believe one in Louisiana. So check it out. Awesome.
Oh, this place is 5-star all the way, folks. This is something that's been needed for a long time for the traveler and the auto and the RV. No big trucks allowed because the big heavy trucks will tear up the concrete. We're going to give you a little tour here. We pulled in here at exit 791 right north of Houston on I-10. That's where this Buc-ee's is at. You can see their signs from a ways off. Boy, what a great concept. This place is the best. It's the best travel center in the interstate system that I've ever been to. This is the tops.
Yeah. It's awesome.
Top tier right here. I wouldn't stop it. I would never ever stop at another place.
I don't know how many bays they have here, but wow.
What a concept. I mean, look at this. I mean, it's just amazing.
Plenty of parking. Plenty of parking.
It's quite a few acres. And there's plenty of access, entry. I mean, it's just clean your windshield. I mean, they have really done a great job with this. Get food. They got private bathrooms. The bathrooms are unbelievable. Just like, I mean, it's just
you have your own private stall.
Yeah, they got plenty of hand cleaner. Everything works. I mean, it's clean. Wow. people to asking you if they can help you in anything, any way. It's just unbelievable. Really great. Look at all the parking. I mean, everywhere. Customer park. It doesn't say anything about RVers staying overnight or nothing. They got plenty of the dog.
Yeah.
Look at that right there. These are all around where you can take care of your dog. Pet way stations. How cool is that? Wow. They're all built just like this, is my understanding. This is definitely, I'm going to give a plug here. These guys are, this is unbelievable.
Seriously.
Great for the traveler. Buc-ee's 5-star all the way. And clean, they got people running around cleaning. It's just unbelievable. And look at all, they still got all the dog stuff all around for your pets.
Yeah, yeah.
And they sell great stuff inside. I mean, it's just great. Man, is it great.
Love it. Love it.
There's your little tour of Buc-ee's, and that's their big sign over there.
So how much was the
diesel was $2.34 a gallon as of this date. What is the date? The 6th January 2019. Regular gasoline was $1.66 a gallon.
166, people.
For regular gas.
And how much was diesel?
Diesel was $2.34. If you had their credit union card, the Texas Credit Union card, I don't know, the TDECU credit card, you get 10 cents off a gallon. No limit.
That's awesome.
That helps me because I got a big tank. What a place.
Seriously.
Can't wait to stop at the
Woohoo! And the next one is right before San Antonio.
Well, no, they have several on the way is what the guy was telling me because that's all they stop at.
Oh, cool.
There's a couple here in the area.
Sweet.
So we're looking forward to stopping at Buc-ee's while we're here in Texas.
Exactly.
Hey, folks. Great.
Fantastic.
A lot of great stuff comes out of Texas. It's like Dr. Pepper.
That's it.
A lot of great stuff. I love Texas, man. Texas, y'all got it going on. Love Texas.
Sweet. All right. Y'all give us a thumbs up.
Okay, guys. See you later. Have a great day. Be safe.
And don't forget to subscribe.